Hey everybody, this is 290 calories of regular full-fat ice cream. This is 130 grams of soft serve strawberry ice cream, literally half the amount of calories. So let's get started. We're gonna start by measuring out 80 grams of low-fat milk. Using grams versus cups gives us a more accurate result. Then pour the milk into a large blender. Typically for ice cream, we would use regular sugar, but to make it healthier, we are going to use xylitol, though you can substitute it for any non-sugar sweetener. Then add it all to a blender. To help slightly thicken our ice cream, we are going to add 10 grams of cornstarch. As well as, if you have any guar gum, sprinkle in a little bit of that. Remember, all ingredient amounts and instructions are in the description below. Adding a couple drops of vanilla will really take this ice cream the extra mile. Now for our fruit, we are going to add 120 grams of frozen mixed fruit. I am using some strawberries and bananas. Now for the structure of our ice cream, we are going to add 120 grams of crushed ice. Then add the ice to the blender. Start by turning the blender on low for 30 seconds and gradually increase the power for 30 more seconds. If you like making low-calorie recipes like this at home, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video coming out. Blend until it reaches a smooth consistency. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to watch this video on how to make regular, full-fat ice cream at home with only 2 ingredients. Enjoy!